in first alert mode this morning, tracking storms that are moving through western Washington this week.
Last night we saw the first of a series of storms this week that brought wind to parts of western Washington. Savannah Welch is live in Woodinville right now. Savannah, what are you seeing there?
Well, Mimi and Christine, they have this road closed. It looks like crews are trying to remove part of something that fell either in the road or on the side of the road. It's a little hard to tell since this road's closed and we have to stand so far back. But the Puget Sound Energy outage map, it shows that this neighborhood right now is without power. This is at Avondale Road Northeast and Northeast 140th Place. There's been a lot of damage from the winds overnight. Puget Sound Energy has issued an alert. They say easterly winds can bring down more trees here in the northwest because their roots are better anchored against other wind directions. So with all this widespread damage, they say it can take between 24 to 48 hours to restore outages. So they're recommending if you see any downlines, call 911, and they're also recommending that you stay at least 35 feet away from a downline if you do see one. And of course, follow the directions of road closures in the area from all this wind damage. In Woodinville, Savannah Welch, King 5 News.
All right, Savannah, thank you for that. And let's give you a live look at some more damage that happened in the Woodinville area. Again, this is a live picture. This is in the Valley Industrial neighborhood near a local sea salt company. You can see crews are making some headway there, and we'll keep an eye on it.
And look at this, a large tree uprooted and crashed onto a car in Covington, injuring one of the two people inside. The tree came right down onto that hood of that car, as you can see there. This happened right near Cedar Valley Elementary around 8:30 last night. According to initial reports from deputies, witnesses tried to help get the people out of the car before first responders arrived. And in Maple Valley, we saw crews working overnight removing a downed tree in one neighborhood. This was along Southeast Lake Francis Road around 2 a.m. Looking at the outage map from Puget Sound Energy, about 6,000 customers are without power right now. Most of those outages are on the east side in the Sammamish area.